Preview. Preview.
Breaking, powerful wave of energy strikes the Earth. By editor. Solar winds at over 2.5 million miles per hour strike our planet. Related. Cosmic disclosure, the Great Solar Flash recommended reading. James Gilliland, first documented validation of large wave of energy hitting Earth now. Large wave of energy from unknown source hitting Earth now. Massive burst of seventh-dimensional transformational gamma rays are expected to arrive by December 26. Recent waves of energy reported by Dutch scientists may prove to be tied to the Maharishi effect. Dr. Paul Laviolette, will a superwave arrive in 2017? Galactic core fission event and edge on disk galaxy J1126 plus 2944. 70-year-old prophecy, the Earth will soon be swept by extraordinary rapid waves of cosmic electricity. The day of the event, a new star is born, an exploration of possibility for a long-awaited moment. God particles from the galactic core. Cobra, galactic wave of love. How to prepare for the event. The event, a plan to maintain the safety and well-being of the populace during the financial reset and mass arrests. Scientists identify cosmic energy accelerator at the galactic center. Scientists believe there are intelligent alien civilizations near the galactic center. Galactic center. 4 tips to stay centered during the galactic waves. A galactic wave of divine light is approaching us. Scientist concludes, there is evidence of ancient nuclear weapons on Mars. Mars xenon is found to match closely the component in the Earth's atmosphere produced by Earth's nuclear weapons programs, both hydrogen bomb testing and plutonium production, both of which involve large amounts of fission with fast neutrons. It is found that Mars xenon can be approximately by a mixture of 70% nuclear testing xenon, mixed with 30% natural Earth xenon, suggesting that Mars xenon was similar to Earth's before a large nuclear event altered it dramatically. There are some things within our solar system that completely challenge everything we know. Mars is one of those places that's really odd. For example, it has been found that the red planet has an unusually high concentration of xenon-129 in its thin atmosphere. As it turns out, gas isotope xenon-129 is produced by nuclear reactions. In addition to that huge mystery, researchers have found that the surface of Mars is covered excessively with uranium and thorium. This has led some scientists like Dr. John Brandenburg to conclude that it's very likely that 2 large anomalous nuclear explosions took place on Mars in the distant past. In the paper, Dr. Brandenburg argues that Mars shows, based on new data, evidence that during this period of Earth-like climate, biological evolution produced, at length, a humanoid civilization leaving ruins at several sites, Cydonia Mensa and Galaxias Chaos being 2 sites most intensively investigated. Data from these sites formed the basis for the Cydonian hypothesis. Brandenburg, Di Pietro, and Molinar, 1991, of an ancient, indigenous, approximately Bronze Age civilization on Mars. Mars nuclear war. However, there are many scientists which disagree with Dr. Brandenburg, saying that there is a natural explanation by which the anomalous gases and elements on Mars can be explained. But Dr. Brandenburg firmly sticks with his theory, saying that xenon-129 on Mars is likely the product of a nuclear process rather than fractionation, a process in nature which could explain the presence of these elements. It is well known that over time, a planet's atmosphere can become heavily eroded, especially on Mars where there isn't a strong magnetic field. When this occurs, lighter isotopes become more eroded than those heavier ones, which ultimately results in the increase in heavier isotopes. But Dr. Brandenburg says, however, on Mars, whatever process disturbed the isotopes made the lighter isotopes relatively more abundant than heavier ones. This requires a predominantly nuclear process rather than mass fractionation. Mars attack nuclear weapons. Dr. Brandenburg concluded after going through available data on Mars, that at least 2 massive airborne explosions occurred with fusion devices similar in design to those on Earth. Dr. Brandenburg explains how Xenon-129 is produced in devices on Earth. In order to boost the yield of a hydrogen bomb, the bomb casing is typically made of uranium-238 or thorium. Accordingly, Xenon-129 is produced only in small amounts by normal fission, but in a conventional hydrogen bomb explosion it is produced in large amounts. Furthermore, Dr. Brandenburg looked at the distributional patterns of uranium and thorium on the surface of the Red Planet and had concluded that they are consistent with nuclear explosions which were centered on 2 specific points on the planet. The high concentration of Xen in the Martian atmosphere is a unique feature of Mars' atmosphere and differs starkly from the isotopic mass spectrum of xenon elsewhere in the Solar System. This feature is found both in the isotopic spectra seen by landers and also that seen in Mars meteorites, concluded Dr. Brandenburg. Dr. Brandenburg indicates that it is very likely that these 2 massive nuclear explosions occurred on Mars some 180 million years ago. Both of these nuclear attacks could have triggered a global catastrophe that changed Mars from a fertile and Earth-like planet to a barren and deserted world we see today. The biggest shift ever on the planet is happening now, be in the mission. By lead it is one. Living a mission it is time now. I believe everyone has a mission. And when you feel that mission, in every cell of your body and DNA, your heart and your soul, nothing can stop you. It is not like going to work. A mission can be lived and breathed, day and night. It gives energy and protection. It does not take energy. You need to wake up from a long sleep. We all have slept over the last 16.000 years as humanity. Wake up. This is the time every human needs to see and hear, the real thing. So you make all your friends and everyone you meet aware. We are in this together, the whole of humanity. I want you to feel and stand in self-love. Be love, be part of the change. You all are here for the change. Even if you do not know what you are here for today. Free souls, our origin. We were born as free souls in a free cosmos, as a free human race with power from within, and all connected in the same love and from the same source. We got trapped though, in fear, money, contracts, systems and leaders or books telling us what and who we are, and how we should live. This is the old masks, old leaders, old stories and old rules. Only we, as in today, in this moment, can remind ourselves that we were gods. We all were. Feel the energy now coming from these words into your body and feel it activating. Wake up, you are here with us, to make Gaia the Earth humanity shift to who we originally were. You do not need to remember, you feel it now. We were born to lead ourselves. We were born to listen to our hearts. We were born to live in peace, unity, harmony and love for us all. Most of all, to remember and tell the truth about our origin, about our DNA, about true healing and true wisdom taught from the source. We did not live in fear, or listen to any other voice, than the voice within. Of feelings result at Gaia Earth. We were all one. We are all one. Know that everyone is connected to each other. There is no separation. This is created, to make us forget who we are and what we are. Your brothers and sisters are all around you. They forgot who they are, a long time ago. See them in light, remind them with love, who they originally are. And you equals me. We can never lie to each other, or make another person sick or mistreat any other organism on planet Gaia, knowing that this is not the highest form or treating yourself. We all are holy. We all are masters. We will lead ourselves, and each other, home again. Let us lead the way. We have been misled, trapped, and far away from our soul for a long time. The change is to stand up, to believe in yourself, in our whole humanity. 99% of the people pray for love and change. Know this. Everyone has lived in fear and disinformation. Choose now to stop living in a mass fear. You are clear, powerful, and connected to your essence. Now. We all are connected in heart, and we all want the shift now. This is a wake-up call to reach for your light, your potential. Yes, feel this rush in your body now. It all starts with you. I Cosmos Awakening ask your guides now. Show me my mission. I want to be in full control, and lead the mission I was born for. Ask for it, give yourself permission. Also tell your higher self, I do not want to be a sheep anymore, I will be unique and stand in my own energy. I will not let politicians, the media, commercials, and negative people tell me what to think, what to buy, what to eat, what to say. I stop with following others. I will lead my way. I will be in full strength, protection, love, and get all the tools I need for my mission. I will break with all the habits that cause me to leak energy, that cause me damage. I believe in myself now. To all media, speakers, inspirators, musicians, politicians, light workers, healers and everyone with a fan base. It is time for you to stand up for humanity, planet Earth and our truth. Connect with all humans, in love. It is time to spread the light, love and the truth of your essence. It is time to stop living for money, and to stand up for the shift. You know it. Billions of people wait for this, and pray for this. You need to stand up for your responsibilities, and to use your TV, media, newspaper, social network to start the shift. You need to work all together and spread the truth, and your light. Today. To all the singers, authors, publishers, artists and journalists, start writing the truth from today on. Start spreading and connect humanity in the truth. We need you.